Next concept here we study is, along with correlation coefficient, line of regression. Two lines of regression we study. One is line of regression of y on x, another one is line of regression of x on y. The formula for line of regression is y minus y bar equal to r into sigma y by sigma x into x minus x bar. X bar is mean of x, y bar is mean of y, r is correlation coefficient, sigma y is a standard deviation for y data, and sigma x is the standard deviation of x data. Or else this equation of regression line can also be written as, we know as x minus x bar stands for capital X, y minus y bar stands for capital Y, and this correlation coefficient is simplified as summation xy by summation s square. While doing a problem, when they ask you to find the correlation coefficient and lines of regression, you can form a single table to find out line of regression. Where to find out the correlation coefficient also you are finding the summation of xy and summation of x square. So the same table you can use it to find out the lines of regression. Similarly, lines of regression of x on y, capital X equal to, this is nothing but summation xy by summation y square into y. If y comes here means here's denominator should have summation x square. Here x comes means denominator should have summation x square. Okay. So remember it, both form of the formulas for line of regression, because in two different forms we use it for different given data. So let me take first one problem. Find the two regression lines and hence find the correlation coefficient for the given data. As we discussed it, what is the formula for regression line is y equal to summation xy by summation x square into x. Then line of regression x on y is x equal to summation xy by summation y square into y. So I need to find out sum of xy, sum of x square, sum of y square. To find out capital X and capital Y, I need to find out the mean value of x and mean of y. We know already the formula of summation x by n is nothing but x bar, summation y by n is nothing but y bar. Do the calculation of sum of x, sum of y, and for the number of given data, here it is 10, sum of x will be 55, sum of y will be 307. We obtain the mean value. Then obtain a table of capital X, capital Y. Then x into y, x square and y square. Here how I form, like that you have to form a table. Then calculate the summation values of these three. Substitute it in this formula. So here capital Y, it is not with the sum, it is only just y capital Y value. So how you can write y minus y bar, capital X as x minus x bar, substitute y bar answer and x bar answer here, and substitute summation xy, summation of x square. You get a equation, a simplified answer in the form of straight line, y equal to ax plus b form. In the same way, when you substitute the values among here, you get a equation in the form of x equal to cy plus d. Now here, no need to use the correlation coefficient as in the previous problem I discussed to find out that. You can find out after obtaining the line of regression, the correlation coefficient can be obtained directly with the formula square root of coefficient of x and coefficient of y. When you are getting it line of regression in the form of y equal to ax plus b, coefficient of x, that a value you should write in the from the simplified answer. Here you should write coefficient of y means a line of regression x of y, what you are getting 8. From that you have to write the coefficient of y. So directly you can calculate the correlation coefficient once you obtain the line of regression. Here two types of problems they may ask. They may ask you to find out first line of regression, then correlation coefficient. So do it in this way. If they ask you to find out first correlation coefficient, means you can't use this formula. Which formula should be used? What we discussed in the previous problem, this formula should be used. So it is very important that you need to read out properly the given question, what they asked you to find out first. If correlation coefficient is asked to find out first, use this formula itself. Then to obtain the regression line, use this two formula. If they ask you to find out first line of regression, like I discussed in this problem, then use line of regression formulas. That formula will not vary. Only vary with correlation coefficient. From the line of regression, you have to find out the R value. Okay. Thank you.